Hi, my name is Janut, and I'm a full stack software developer. I have over 10 years of experience in the software industry, and I have started as a desktop developer using WPF and C Sharp. I started my web journey using ASP.NET MVC and AngularJS. Then I switched with a trend to ASP.NET Core and Angular. I also have a good expertise in the mobile world, but I mainly worked with hybrid apps like Ionic. In the last few years, I started to dive into the cloud area, and I have been using both Azure and AWS. At the moment, I'm a certified Microsoft solution architect. The purpose of this video is to help you deploy your front-end and back-end applications to Azure. So I will just use the basics of Azure pipelines in order to keep things simple. So we will first just create a simple Azure pipeline with a template. Then we will build our ASP.NET Core app in the pipeline. I have a demo app that we will be using throughout this course. We will create then an Azure App Service into Azure Portal. Then we'll create an Azure Service Principal. We will deploy our ASP.NET Core app to that Azure App Service using Azure pipelines. Then we will switch to the front-end area where we will create an Azure Static Web App, and we will deploy our Angular application to Azure Static Web Apps using, again, Azure pipelines.